Bog it up, DIYers, bog it up. You got to make it waterproof. So wherever there's gaps, seal it up. This is a DIY's bathroom. I've prepared it all. A tradesman does things a little bit neater and he saves on silicone and all that sort of thing, but you know. What's another tube or two? It's all good. Bog it up. Bog it up. And all you do is flatten it off like that. And you're laughing. The odd hole in the cement sheet, well, you just bog that up as well. You don't have to make it pretty. As long as you've got silicone in there, you're home and hose. Just neaten that up a little, like that. Oh, bloody beautiful. Look at that. Another hole there. Bog it up. On there. Just take off your glove, look at that. Oh, nice and clean. Okay, DIYers, I'll come back to you soon.